Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thanks.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Course. What do you need help with?
I am a teacher.
That's amazing. What subject do you teach?
Are you coming late today?
No, I'll be on time.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Can you repeat that?
Sure. Here it is again.
I don't understand.
No problem. Let me explain it differently.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
How much is this?
$10. Do you want to buy it?
See you later.
See you soon. Take care.
I like this song.
Me too. It's really catchy.
Please give me some water.
Here you go. Stay hydrated.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your day.
I am very tired.
You should rest. Take care.
Let's go to the park.
That sounds fun. Let's go.
Sorry, I am late.
No worries. Glad you're here.
That looks amazing.
I know, right? It's stunning.
I need some help.
Sure. What can I do for you?
It's a beautiful day.
Yes. Perfect weather to enjoy.
I love ice cream.
Me too. What's your favorite flavor?
Can you show me the way?
Course. Follow me.
Where is the bathroom?
It's right over there.
I wake up early.
That's great. It helps start the day well.
This is my book.
Looks interesting. What's it about?
I am feeling cold.
You should wear something warm.
You are very kind.
Thank you. That means a lot.
This food is delicious.
Yes, I love it too.
I have a big family.
That's wonderful. How many members?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. How about you?
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. Here it is.
It's too expensive.
Maybe we can find a cheaper option.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue. What about you?
I love this place.
Same here. So nice.
Please wait a moment.
Sure. Take your time.
That sounds good.
Great. Let's do it.
What are you doing?
Just relaxing. How about you?
I need a taxi.
Let me help you book one.
It's raining outside.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Let's go shopping.
Sounds fun. Let's go.
Where is the nearest shop?
It's just around the corner.
I am very happy today.
That's awesome. What's the good news?
This bag is heavy.
Let me help you carry it.
I want to learn English.
That's great. Keep practicing daily.
Let's watch a movie.
Good idea. What should we watch?
I forgot my phone.
Oh no. Do you need to call someone?
I will call you later.
All right. Talk to you soon.
That's a great idea.
I think so too. Let's do it.
I am really hungry.
Let's grab something to eat.
Can you speak slowly?
Sure. I'll slow down.
I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Get well soon.
My phone battery is low.
You should charge it soon.
I have a question.
Sure. What do you want to ask?
Do you know the answer?
Yes. It's answer.
I need to go now.
All right. See you later.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Let's talk again soon.
Where do you live?
I live in New Delhi.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Sure. What time?
I am very busy today.
I understand. Let's talk later.
Let's have lunch together.
That sounds great.
I feel so tired.
You should get some rest.
This is my favorite song.
It's a great choice.
I need some rest.
Yes. Take care of yourself.
Do you like coffee?
Yes. I love it. What about you?
Let's take a selfie.
Sure. Say cheese.
I will text you later.
'Kay. Talk to you soon.
What's the weather like today?
It's weather condition.
I love listening to music.
Me too. What's your favorite genre?
Can you pass me the salt?
Sure. Here you go.
I enjoy reading books.
That's great. What do you like to read?
I want to visit Japan.
That's amazing. Japan is beautiful.
What time shall we meet?
How about suggested time?
That's very kind of you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Don't worry about it.
Thanks. That's reassuring.
Let's go for a walk.
Sounds good. Let's go.
I am so excited.
That's great. What for?
I feel nervous before exams.
That's normal. You'll do great.
I am scared of the dark.
It's okay. You're not alone.
This is so funny.
I know, right? I can't stop laughing.
I need to clean my room.
That's a good idea.
It's time to sleep.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
I like playing football.
That's awesome. What's your favorite team?
I want some tea.
Me too. Let's make some.
That looks perfect.
Yes, just the way I wanted.
I will be back soon.
All right. I'll wait for you.
This place is beautiful.
Yes, I love the view.
I need to buy some groceries.
Let's go shopping together.
I love watching movies.
Me too. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite food is pizza.
Yum. What toppings do you like?
I am learning English every day.
That's awesome. Keep going.
Can you come here for a second?
Sure. What's up?
Let's go out for dinner.
Sounds great. Where to?
I feel better now.
That's good to hear.
That's an interesting question.
Let me think about it.
It's getting late.
Yes. Time flies so fast.
Have a great weekend.
You too. Enjoy your weekend.
I need your advice.
Course. What's on your mind?
What are you looking for?
Just browsing. What about you?
This is my first time here.
Welcome. Hope you enjoy it.
I am so lucky to have you.
That's so sweet. I feel the same way.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Loud and clear.
I am feeling much better now.
That's great. Glad to hear it.
Let's do something exciting.
Sounds fun. What do you have in mind?
I don't feel like going out today.
That's okay. Chill day at home sounds good too.
I hope everything goes well.
Me too. Fingers crossed.
You are very helpful.
Thank you. I'm happy to help.
I will be there soon.
Great. See you soon.
Let me introduce myself.
Sure. Nice to meet you.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
This book is very interesting.
Really? I'd love to read it too.
I love the way you think.
That's so kind of you. Thank you.
I will be busy tomorrow.
Got it. Let's catch up another time.
Let's catch up soon.
Yes, I'd love that.
Can you do me a favor?
Course. What do you need?
I can't wait to see you.
Same here. It's been too long.
I had a great time today.
Me too. Let's do it again soon.
This dress looks good on you.
Thanks. That means a lot.
What are your weekend plans?
Not sure yet. What about you?
I need to charge my phone.
Same. My battery is almost dead.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Great minds think alike.
It's too noisy here.
Yeah, let's go somewhere quieter.
I feel so relaxed.
That's awesome. Enjoy the moment.
You are my best friend.
Ah, you're mine too.
I need to practice more.
Keep going. You're improving.
Let's make a plan.
Yes, that'll make things easier.
Can you explain this again?
Course. Let me break it down.
I love sunny days.
Me too. They make me so happy.
I had a long day.
I get it. Hope you get some rest.
Let's meet at the coffee shop.
Sounds perfect. See you there.
I enjoy watching the sunset.
Same here. So peaceful.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Thanks. That's reassuring.
I will pick you up at 6 p.m.
Perfect. See you then.
I need to set an alarm.
Good idea. You don't want to be late.
What a beautiful view.
Wow. Really is amazing.
I love fresh air.
Same. Feels so refreshing.
Can you bring me a glass of water?
Sure. Here you go.
I need to write this down.
Good idea. So you won't forget.
It's been a long time.
Yeah. We need to catch up.
I will see you in a minute.
'Kay. I'll be waiting.
This chair is very comfortable.
It really is. I could sit here all day.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading. What about you?
I have to make an important call.
Go ahead. I'll wait.
This is my favorite holiday.
That's awesome.
I can't stop laughing.
Haha. It must be really funny.
I want to learn something new.
That's great. Any ideas on what?
That sounds interesting.
Yeah. Tell me more.
Let's take the next bus.
Sure. No rush.
I have a good idea.
Awesome. Tell me about it.
I love spending time with my family.
Same. Family time is the best.
I need to buy some gifts.
Nice. Who are they for?
This food smells amazing.
Yes. I can't wait to taste it.
I hope we meet again.
Me too. That would be great.
Can you come earlier?
I'll try my best.
I am planning a trip.
That's exciting. Where to?
That's my favorite song.
Mine too. Let's sing along.
I feel very comfortable here.
That's good. It's a nice place.
I will do it myself.
That's great. You're independent.
Let's take a different route.
Good idea. We might find something new.
I forgot to tell you something.
Uh-oh. What is it?
This is my lucky day.
That's awesome. Enjoy it.
This park is beautiful.
Yes. So peaceful.
I love talking to you.
Me too. Conversations are great.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you. I try my best.
I will call you when I am free.
Sounds good. Talk to you then.
This is the best day ever.
That's amazing. Enjoy it.
Let's take a photo together.
Yes. Say cheese.
I am so confused.
It's okay. Let's figure it out together.
What's the best way to do this?
Let's find the easiest method.
I love your smile.
Ah, thanks. That's sweet.
Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. I appreciate you too.